Hey, hi everyone. My name is Apurba. I work as a BOOMI developer in TGH. So today we will learn about data masking in MDH. It is a new feature added in MDH. So today we will be learning how can we use data masking and what are the advantages by using the data masking. So data masking is a crucial technique in the master data hub to mask sensitive information while allowing necessary data analysis and sharing. So from the below image, you can see if we mask any data, this is how it can help us to hide a portion of data or maybe the total record. There are some benefits of using data masking. Data masking lets you control the visibility of sensitive data within golden and quarantine both records. It helps your organization adhere to the data security and privacy policies and regulations. So there are types of data maskings. We have all, which helps us to hide entire data. Which then we have partial marks, which hides a portion of data. We have partial show, reveals a portion of data, and if we select none, that means that will reveal the entire data. Now let's go to the platform and see how can you use the data masking in MDH. So this is my MDH platform, and I'm right now in quarantine records. So as of now, I haven't added anything in quarantine record, sorry, golden records. So let's add some records in this golden records, then see how this data masking helps us to hide or mask the records. I'll go to the integration part. Now I have made one small process which will help us to upsert some records into MDH. So first we'll test this process. These are the records which I am upserting to MDH. We have employee ID, employee name, and we have phone number. This process has been executed successfully. Let's go to the MDH. Refresh. Yeah. This is something without masking. So by default, your data will be looking like this. So right now, let's say we want to hide the phone number or maybe the employee ID. In that case, we can use the data masking. By for using the data masking, we need to go to the models. Then we need to select our particular model. For me, now I'm using this model, EMP. We'll go to this fields section. Now from here, whatever the element we want to hide, we will select that. Let's say in my case, I want to hide the phone number. So I will select phone number. Here you can see there is one option called mask. So from here, as you can see, we have multiple types. We have all, partial mask, partial show. So we'll click on the drop down. So all means it will hide the entire row from that particular golden record. And if we select none, that means we're not hiding anything. We have partial mask. So if we select partial mask, so two more options we can see. So it will help us to decide first digit to hide and also the last. After that, we have partial show. That means if we select first and if we give, let's say 2, that means it will show only first 2 digits, right? So that is how we can mask the records. So let's say in my case, I want to hide first 2 digits and last 3 digits. So in that case, we can use this partial mask, right? Now I will save it. I'll publish this. this is my model, and I have to deploy it to my repository. So I will deploy it. Now deployment is completed. Now I will go to the golden records and see the effect. So as you can see, so here I have selected the first two digits. So that is why it hides the first two digits and the last three digits. And as you can see here, the masked is written here. That means we have successfully masked this phone number. So now let's say we want to mask the entire ID. There is employee ID, right? So I want to hide the entire employee ID. In that case, what we can do, we can select all. So let me go to models. Again, I will go to my model. There is employee ID. Now what I want to hide this employee ID, right? So for employee ID, I will select all. I'll save it. So from here also you can see the masked field is there, right? So I have selected the employee ID as all. That means the entire employee ID will be masked. And for phone number, it is partial mask. So I will publish the model now. Close. I need to deploy it to my repository. Okay. So after this deployment, my entire ID should be masked, right? Let's go to the model, golden records and see. So as you can see, the first one is the phone number, which is partially masked. The employee ID is completely masked. So this is how you can use data masking in MDH. Thank you.